Let's take a minute and we will check out the Bluetooth connection menu on Pioneer's DEH-X6700BS. So from any source, I'm going to press and hold the telephone button here for a couple of seconds. And that'll bring up the Bluetooth connection menu. The first thing we see is our device list, or the list of devices that's been connected to the head unit. And we can see that list by pressing in on the volume control. And the phone that has a star beside it right here, the Nexus 5, is the phone that's selected for operation right now. And we can change that to a different phone by turning the volume control. We'll go back and roll over to our next setting, which is our delete device menu. If you want to get rid of a device that's been connected to by the head unit, we can get into the delete device settings right here. Choose a phone and press enter to delete that device from the memory. We'll roll over to the next setting, which is our automatic connection setting, and right now that's set to on. We can also switch it off if you want. When you come back to your vehicle and start the car, if you would like your phone and the head unit to automatically connect to one another, you want to leave the auto connection setting turned on. Let's roll over to the next setting, which is visible. You want the radio, the head unit, to be visible to other devices. You want to leave visibility on. That makes it very easy to connect to other devices. If you don't, you can switch this off and the head unit no longer is visible through Bluetooth to other devices. We'll leave that on for right now, and we'll roll over to the next setting, which is a PIN code. Most modern phones don't require a PIN code to connect to Bluetooth. If your phone does, you can enter the PIN code. The default PIN code for this head unit is 0000. You can change that to a different number if you would like to. Again, most modern phones don't require a PIN code to connect through Bluetooth. We'll roll over to the next setting, which is device information. Here we can see the name of the device that we're connecting to. This is 6700BS. This could also say 6700BT and the serial number of the device. We can roll back and go to our next setting, which is guest mode. We can have up to 2 devices connected simultaneously with this head unit, and we can continue to connect additional devices. When you try to connect more, guest mode will take you to the delete device list automatically, and you can choose a device to delete from the list in order to make room for the new device that you're trying to connect. We can have guest mode switched on or off. We'll leave it on for right now, and we'll roll over to the next setting, which is automatic pairing. If you have selected iPhones on selected versions of iOS, when you plug in your phone through USB, the head unit and the phone will automatically find each other and ask if you want to pair to that phone. We can leave that, we can have that turned on or off, and for right now we're going to leave it turned on. We'll roll over to the next setting, which is back around to our device list where we started. At any time, you can exit the connection menu, the Bluetooth connection menu, by pressing the band button to escape.